how to delete a split in CapCut. So if you want to delete a split in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you need to go with Create Project, which will be on the top of your screen. And here you need to go with Import, which will be on the left side. And just simply go and import any video that you're comfortable with. Once you have your video, you can just simply drag it to the bottom. Once you've dragged, now as you can see that you will have the video like this, right? So I'll just simply go and split this part. You can just simply press C if you want to split on your keyboard, or you can also just simply select the part where you would like to split and then go with split, which is right here on the top of your edit section, and you will have splits, right? So once you have your split, now if you want to delete a split in your CapCut, or if you want to remove the split, then one way is you can just simply press Ctrl Z and your split will be removed. You can just simply go with the undo icon right here, click on undo, and your split will be removed. Or if you want your split, but if you don't want them to show like this, then what you need to do is just right click on it, and then you will have an option of create compound clip. You need to click on it and you will have a whole new video without any split. So that's how you can delete a split in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.